What kind of life do I want to live?
How can I go beyond the limit?
Resilience is the key. I am eager to blaze new trails to give back to my roots.
Rooted in my determination, I want to explore the layers of opportunities that lie beyond the classroom.
Layer by layer, I decipher the world's complexities, creating an impact that transcends global boundaries.
I want to seek out new ventures, but the process is daunting. How can I conquer my fears?
Pursuing multiple passions is not easy. Can I really manage everything?
I feel overwhelmed by the state of the world. How can I overcome my sense of powerlessness?
In PolyU, I have the courage to challenge my limits.
To impress the world,
And to achieve my ambitions.
I am free to pursue my passion as an aspiring pioneer.
Fashion is in my blood. PolyU gives me the avenues to realize my dreams beyond academics.
PolyU has shown me that every effort counts in building a better world together.
The stage is set and the time has come. Stay true and embark on your journey to discovery.